want?
Copy me. Copy me. Because she called she one, two, I love you. 3, 4,
I like it. But what? Why are you saying bad words?
because she bad words that spits out and she one, two, I love you. 3, 4,
Yeah, those are great words. The other word you said, that's an ugly word. So why don't you say the nice words and forget the ugly words, okay?
Because she one, two, I love you. 3, 4,
5, 6,
Pick
7, 8.
my ex, you my best.
Isaac is great.
I get.
9, 10.
They say you my best friend.
You're my best friend too. Come here and give me a hug.
Because I need
Okay. Love you. You're smarter than that, okay? You're smarter than those ugly words. So just say the nice words.
1, 2, I love 3, 4,
1, 2,
I love you.
3, 4. Praise the Lord. 5, 6.
Okay.
Pick up sticks. All right. 7, 8. Isaac is great. 9, 10. You're my best friend. I love you.